you're doing. So, if you are having issue like this, as an Android developer just coming up or just uploading for the first time or the second time, right? If you're having issue like this on Google Play Store when you're uploading, right? You don't need to panic, you don't need to fear. So all you need to do is just come to your Android Studio Code. Yeah. So you need to go to your okay. Yeah, into your Godot script here. Then click on the build module, which is already here already. Something else. Yeah. So you click on the build module for the app, as you can see. Right. So you see your version code here. Now the idea is that when you upload for the first time, this was your initial version code. So for you to upload again, you need to like increase the version code on Play Store. So let me increase this to 2. This to maybe something like 0.0. Then let's try and sync the project. Yeah, so let's wait for it to sync first before we um make any changes or do anything. So yeah, our build has been synced here already, right? So after this, what we need to go do is go back here, go to our code here. Okay, so we build. Yeah. Then you go to generate signed APK undo, click on next, then click on next again, click on release, then you create. So with this, like you have to like wait for our bundle to like build. Okay. Okay, so I think it has built. It's done building. So let's check it out. Yeah, so we have it here. So let's just rename it to uh, call. So let me move it to my download. Not necessary, but I just love wait, I'm coming. Okay, so that has successfully moved. So let's try uploading again. Yeah, you okay. So let's wait for this to finish uploading, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can see that it has been successfully uploaded, right? So after this, we can go to the next, click on next, and you can actually, yeah, you can actually like upload your views successfully without having an issue. Yeah, yeah. So thank you. I hope this helps junior or associate Android developers who are just getting into Jetpack Compose or Kotlin, right? So thank you.